This is a 2 by 1 meter 3D map of Dubai, designed with LED lighting effects. We created it for a real estate agency in Hungary to help them showcase Dubai's prime property locations in a visually stunning, interactive way. The LED lights are controlled using 10 custom buttons, each highlighting a key real estate zone across the city. This makes it easy for the presenter to focus on specific areas when discussing investment opportunities. Every big project starts with a test, so we began by making a small sample version of the map. This allowed us to test the LED positions and refine the design before scaling up. Next came full-scale 3D printing of the Dubai layout. Precision and detail were our top priorities. The prints came out beautifully. Only minimal cleanup was needed to remove stringing between buildings. Meanwhile, we built a strong MDF platform to support the entire structure and tested the acrylic base for a perfect fit. Then we began placing the 3D printed buildings onto the layout, aligning everything carefully. To block light leakage, we painted the sea areas black on the underside of the acrylic and added realistic ocean coloring to the top for that signature Dubai coastline. With wheels for easy movement and buttonholes cut in, the platform was ready. We added custom supports to elevate the map above the LED layer, and from our testing, a 5 centimeter gap gave the best diffusion effect. Next came landscaping, adding sand textures to mimic Dubai's desert feel, followed by a cold white coat on the 3D printed parts to bring out their clean lines and shapes. With buildings mounted and grass textures added, the map truly began to come alive. LED wiring was carefully connected across the layout, and each button was tested to make sure it lit up the correct zone on the map. Finally, we secured the LED circuits using a hot glue gun to keep everything locked in place. After weeks of planning, printing, building, and testing, the 3D Dubai map was finally complete and ready for delivery. Packaging a delicate model like this requires care. Tight taping ensures the wrap stays in place, and thick styrofoam padding protects it from any vibrations during transport. The model was then loaded into an air-conditioned vehicle, protecting it from heat exposure to the client. This project is more than a map. It's a tool for storytelling, sales, and visual impact. Makoma Tech can help you elevate your presentation in your sales gallery. Contact us at the email address written in the description.